जाऊंगा। धोनी पब्लिक स्कूल सौभाग्यशाली है, आप ऐसा प्रतियोगिता ले आए हमारे यहाँ और जिससे जो है बच्चों को काफ़ी ज्ञान प्राप्त हुआ। और जो आपको भी गीता का बुक मिला है, किताब मिला है, ये आपके जीवन का की है कि जीवन की हिंदी बोलते हैं। जीवन के बहुत सारे संघर्ष होते हैं, सबका जवाब इस किताब में। मेरा अनुरोध है कि हर साल इस तरह की प्रतियोगिता जरूर लाएं, तो आने वाले कल में हर बच्चे को इस चीज़ का ज्ञान का प्राप्त हो। धन्यवाद।
My hard-working teachers and my dear students, today I want to express our gratitude on the behalf of our school, our founder sir, principal sir, Sushmita ma'am, and our hard-working teachers. Sir, you've given us a very warm opportunity to be a part of it, and you have organized this competition in our school that will be very best for our students. Sir, I want to say that this competition was organized in our school, that is on the basis of Gita Gyan Pratiyogita and the Bharatiya system. The Gita Gyan, which is on the basis of holy book Bhagavad Gita, that is taught by Lord Krishna, that teaches us duty, responsibility, devotion, discipline, truth, and selfless action. That is the very best thing, selfless action. It teaches us to be respectful toward elders, to be very calm in difficult situations, difficult circumstances. You have to be very calm. That is the very good teachings of Bhagavad Gita. Let's talk about the culture, our Indian culture. That is the very good thing. Unity, diversity in unity. That is the culture of our India. Many colors, many different colors are coming in one bouquet. That is the very good. Sir, we express our gratitude toward you, sir. You've given us very good opportunity to be a part of it. That is the very best thing happens in our school. Our students have taken very enthusiastically initiative to be a part of it. They have done very well. You have done very well, students, to be a part of it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir.
बाधिकारस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचन मा कर्मफल हेतुर्भूर्मा ते संगोऽस्तु कर्म. And today I am here to share the impact of Gita in an individual's life. And I am nobody to tell the brief of this holy book, so I am just here trying to tell you some few key points about it. So first of all, let me go. The Bhagavad Gita offers timeless wisdom, providing practical guidance to navigate life's challenges, reduce stress, and find inner peace. It acts as a guide to performing one's duty, that is, his or her dharma, without obsessing over result, which is termed as Nishkam Karma, fostering resilience, mental clarity, and ethical decision making in our real lives. Gita's significant messages to us include mind control and stress management, purpose and duty, resilience in challenges, ethical decision making, inner peace, and self-control. Essentially, the Gita serves as a practical guide for self-discovery and navigating the battlefield of everyday life. Thank you, everyone.
भागवत गीता महाभारत के भीष्म पर्व का हिस्सा है, जो कुरुक्षेत्र में युद्ध के दौरान भगवान श्री कृष्ण द्वारा अर्जुन को दिया गया 700 श्लोकों का एक दिव्य उपदेश है।